Hindi lang sumusulat kayo kung anong gusto nyo isulat dyan. You're telling us, yung criminal forces, gusto kong sabihin ngayon, Mr. Chair, publicly, ikaw ang tanga.
Okay, Your Honor, pero
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman.
Representative Ponduano.
Mr. Chairman, just a matter of protocol, may I move to strike out the statement of the Chairman Abante
Second.
addressed to MJ.
Second,
MJ.
Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Any objection? There being none, the uttered words is stricken off. Any further questions? I rest, Mr. Chair, and thank you so much. I'm not angry at you, Miss MJ. We're just ferreting the truth here. Ano?
okay, Your Honor. Pero again, hindi ko pa alam kung saan niyo po nakukuha yung idea niyo na kayo yung criminal forces. Hindi po. Anyway, again,
Ikaw ang
I
sumulat,
apologize.
Mr. Chair.
Okay po, sir.
Ikaw ang
My
sumulat eh.
apologies. Yes. Okay. My
Sinulat
apologies,
mo
sir.
yun eh.
Okay po, tanga po ako, sir.
May